What if I told you, you're not lazy, you're just bored? And studying isn't hard because you can't do it, it's hard because your brain thinks it's punishment.
Wow.
But what if studying felt like leveling up in a game? What if you actually craved that focused feeling? In this video, I'm going to show you how to become addicted to studying in a healthy way and actually enjoy it. Section 1. Why you hate studying. Let's be honest, you don't hate studying, you hate confusion, overwhelm, distraction, and starting. Your brain loves dopamine. That's why scrolling feels easier than solving equations. Studying feels hard because the reward is delayed. But here's the secret. If you make the reward immediate, your brain will cooperate. We're not forcing discipline, we're hacking psychology.
Wow!
Section 2. Romanticize the process. You need to make studying aesthetic and enjoyable. Light a candle, open the windows, play soft background music, use cute stationery, make your desk feel like your future self lives there. Your environment trains your brain. When your space feels intentional, your mind follows. You're not just studying, you're becoming the version of you that wins. Section 3, the 25-minute rule, make it a game. Here's where the addiction starts. Study for just 25 minutes. Set a timer. No pressure to finish the whole chapter. Just 25 minutes. When the timer ends, stop. Your brain will go, wait, that's it? And guess what? Most of the time, you'll keep going. Because starting is the hardest part. Momentum creates motivation, not the other way around. Section 4. Track the dopamine. You need visible progress. Use a habit tracker, a calendar, or even a notebook. Every day you study, mark it. Watching the streak grow, that's dopamine. You won't want to break it. Humans hate losing progress more than we love gaining it. That's why streaks work. You're not addicted to studying. You're addicted to improvement.
Wow!
Section 5. Study like you're teaching. Here's a game changer. Study like you're about to teach someone. Explain concepts out loud. Pretend you're filming a class. Act like the smart friend. When you teach, your brain organizes information better. And when you understand something deeply, that feeling is addictive. Confidence is addictive. Section 6. Detach from perfection. This is important. You will not feel motivated every day, and that's okay. Addiction to studying doesn't mean loving every second. It means showing up anyway, even if it's messy, even if it's 10 minutes, even if you're tired. Consistency greater than intensity. The truth? You don't need to become someone new. You just need systems that make studying easier than quitting. Start small, make it enjoyable, track progress, protect momentum, and one day you'll sit down to study and realize you didn't force yourself. You chose to, and that's power. If this helped you, subscribe for more glow-up productivity content. Your future self is watching.